In this video, I'm going to show you how to install LagoFast. So the first thing you want to do, you want to go to their official website, which is LagoFast.com, and then over here you can see a bunch of different options. So you can download for Windows, you can get their mobile booster or their console booster. Now there's also an option top right which says try for free, but if you click on try for free or download for Windows, the exact same thing will download to your computer and it's going to be their app. So you want to click either here or here, and then this will download. It's going to be the LagoFast installer. So you want to click on that once it's basically downloaded to your computer. And then this is what you're going to see. So this is going to be an installation page over here. So you can select where you want to install it. Usually you just want to keep it on default like this, and then you can either create a shortcut if you want to. I'm not going to do it. You can make it auto run whenever you open up your computer, which I'm not going to do either. And then of course you have to agree to their terms of use agreement, because if you don't do that, you won't be able to install. Here you can also select the language. These are all the languages available right now, and then you can simply click on fast install, and then LagoFast will be installed to your computer just like this. As you can see, it's now being installed. Now this can take up from a few seconds upwards to a few minutes, and then there we go. When this is done, you can simply press on start, and then this will open up the LagoFast on your computer, and you've successfully installed the program. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.